so today we're going to be replacing my cabin air filter from this brand called PureFlow. Looks like a pretty good filter. It's a replacement filter for BMWs and some other cars. So yeah, it's pretty simple. There's literally only 4 bolts or screws. Mine's kind of rigged with some random bolts, but yeah, let's get to it. And I already unscrewed them all to save time for the video. Four bolts in the back, and then there should be bolts up here, but mine are broken, so this one doesn't even hold it on really. Yeah, a little bit. So I'm gonna take that off. All right, so once you have all the bolts off in the front and the back, this just pulls right off, and then the filter just sits right in there. So we're gonna replace that now. This filter is pretty dirty compared to this one. You see the difference? It's a little different type of a filter, I think, as well. Alright, so I got the filter installed, and it was like a little bit harder than I thought. You do have to really jam it in there. You're going to want to make sure that these 2 points go underneath the plastic and inside, and then you'll be able to fit it in right. And yeah, just make sure you kind of like jam it in there, but be careful you don't break anything. So yeah, let's put it back on now. Pretty simple. Just throw it right back on there like that, and then put the bolts back on, and we're good to go. All right, I got everything bolted up, and hopefully that will improve the flow of the AC on the car. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe. All right, so I would definitely say it did improve the flow of the AC a little. On my car, it's always not been that good, but right away I noticed it's definitely pushing out a little bit more air. So that vent or filter, I mean, was probably clogged. So definitely recommend replacing that if you guys have not done that on your car.